I'm Anil Kumar, and here is an application on quadratic equation. The question is, the area of a rectangular field is 2275 meters square. The field is enclosed by 200 meters of fencing. What are the dimensions of the field? So let us say that this is the rectangular field we are considering. Now let the length be L and W be the width. So what we know here is that perimeter is 200. That means 2 times length plus width is 200. We can simplify this and write 100 equals to length plus width. Now we also know that the area of the rectangle is 2275. So we know area is 2275 and the units are meters square. So we can write down area as length times width. Since length and width are related, we can actually write one variable in terms of another. So we can say 100 minus length is equals to width, right? And use this value of 100 minus length, let me call this as equation 1, in equation 2 to find area in one variable. So we can now write area as equals to length times width is 100 minus L. Length and width now has been related, so we get area in terms of one variable. So now we can solve for that variable. Area is given to us as 2275. Let me write that equals to, let's open this bracket, so we get 100L minus L square. Bringing all the terms together, we get our quadratic equation, which is L square minus 100L plus 2275 equals to 0. Now we have to solve this equation to find the length. To solve this equation, we can use the quadratic formula, which is length is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Now in our case, b is minus 100, so we can write this as minus of minus 100 plus minus square root of minus 100 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 2275 square root divided by 2 times a is 1. Okay, so now we can use the calculator. Let me rewrite this as 100 minus minus becomes plus and square root of positive 100, that means 10,000, minus 4 times 2275. 4 times 2275, we'll use the calculator, divided by 2. Okay, let's use the calculator and find the answer. So let me write down what is in the radical sign. So we have square root of 100 minus 4 times 2275 equals to 30. So this number is 30. So we get 100 plus minus 30 divided by 2. So that gives us two possible solutions. So if I use plus, then what do I get? So 130 by 2, right? So if I do plus, I get 130 divided by 2, and that is 65. If I use minus, then 70 divided by 2, we get 35. Okay, so these are two possible lengths. So let us take the bigger one as the length for the time being. Okay, so if I assume this to be the length, then what is the width? We know width is 100 minus L, or 100 minus 65, that is 35. So the dimensions are 65 is one dimension, the other one is 35, right? So we can write down now our answer, and the answer is that the dimensions of the field is 65, units are meter, by 35 meters, right? So that is the solution for this question. I hope that helps. Thank you.